Yep, yep. Hey, there's Travis. Come on, do it better. Do a wheelie off.
Do a wheeler?
Yeah, wheelie off. Come on, wheelie off.
Okay, wheeler.
Wheelie off.
Now let's do a wheelie time. That's BMX moments. Yo, so scared. Yo, so scared. I'm not scared of anything. I just jumped over the tower pizza.
You jumped over
the tower pizza once.
Oh.
Right?
Here.
Get it up.
I'm trying to.
Go get the ramp going.
Can't. Okay, it's perfectly fine now. Okay, now get the back arrow. Okay. Wheelie off, okay? So it looks better. Here.
I'm just for strong enough.
Come on, let's go. Here we go. Riding down the ramp.